Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question 4 into 2 power 4 and divided by 8. So we will solve with the help of PEMDAS. And if you have already solved this question, go in the comment section and write your correct answer. I will give them part. Okay. So our question is 4 into 2 power 4. So first we will find 2 to the power. What that mean? That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which equals to what? 2 times 2, that is equal to 4, and 4 times 2, that is equal to 8, and 8 into 2, that is equal to 16. So here 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so we can simply write here 16. 4 into 16 divided by 8. As we know, according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority. Okay, so in that case we solve from left to right. So here is left, here is right. So first we will solve for this part. So what we get? 4 times 16, that is 64 divided by 8. Now when we divide 64 with 8, what we get? 8. Okay, so here 8 will be the right answer. So if you want more math videos like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching, and check out our best math books in the description.